Hi everyone, I'm Chef Katie Chin, and I'm so excited to be here today to share with you one of our family favorites, walnut shrimp. Now you may not realize this, but shrimp is served at celebratory occasions all throughout China because the word for shrimp in Chinese is har, which sounds like laughter. So this is a great dish to serve at a birthday party or any special family get-together. So let's get to it. I love this recipe so much because my mother used to make this for us on birthdays, and it just brings back a lot of family memories. All right, it's a really simple dish, slightly decadent. I wouldn't eat it every night, but it's definitely a delicious dish to make on special occasions. We have some large shrimp here, peeled and deveined. I rinsed and drained it, and then I patted it really dry with paper towels, okay? It's important to pat your shrimp dry with paper towels, okay? So we are going to make a batter for the shrimp. Very easy, very simple, everything you can find at a well-stocked grocery store, all right? It includes some egg white, along with some cornstarch. And then to this, I'm adding a bit of baking soda along with some garlic salt. And I'm just going to mix this all together. And this creates a very light, crispy batter, which I love. And then to this, I'm going to add our shrimp. I'm just gonna toss the shrimp with the batter, just like so. I mean, you can do this, listen, in about 30 seconds, right? And now that all the shrimp pieces are well coated, I'm going to set this aside and we're gonna make the walnut shrimp sauce. Now, believe it or not, the walnut shrimp sauce is only a few ingredients. We have some mayonnaise, and then to this, I'm going to add condensed milk. Condensed milk, obviously very sweet, rich and creamy. You can find this anywhere, all right? Condensed milk. And then to this, I'm just adding some freshly squeezed lime juice and lemon juice. And then we're just going to combine all of this together till it's well blended. It smells so fresh and bright, which I love. I mean, I know there are unexpected ingredients which come together in the most delicious sauce. All right, so we have our walnut shrimp sauce. Now that we have our sauce completed, we're gonna move on to frying our shrimp pieces. So we just have our shrimp over here in the batter, and I'm going to put it in an oil bath. Now the oil I'm using today is corn oil. You could use vegetable oil, any oil with a high smoking point. I heated it to about 350 degrees, so it's ready to go, and now we're going to fry our shrimp pieces. Now the important thing is you don't want to have a crowded pan so your shrimp pieces overcook. See that? And we just want to cook these for a couple of minutes until they turn nice and pink and extremely crispy, because who doesn't love crispy walnut shrimp? Yeah, that looks really good, you guys. Very nice. And the beautiful thing about this batter is it's so light, right? It doesn't take too long for it to get nice and crispy. So yummy. All right, let's just let these fry for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to transfer our walnut shrimp to a baking sheet lined with paper towel. So it's important to have this ready to go. As I say, for any Asian recipe, it's all in the prep because things only take a couple of minutes to cook. So I'm going to just get this ready to go. I'm just going to toss the shrimp a bit, just like so. Now I love this dish so much. My mother and I had it in Hong Kong, and it was so succulent, fresh and crispy. And this recipe just teaches you how to do it at home so easily. All right, now that it's getting nice and crispy and turning bright pink, we are going to remove the shrimp to our paper towel lined baking sheet. See that? That was easy. I mean, if I can do it, anyone can do it. All right, I'm just going to transfer our cooked shrimp to the baking sheet. Just like so. Nice. So we're just gonna let the shrimp rest for a moment on our baking sheet, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take another bowl. I'm gonna pour our walnut shrimp sauce into our bowl just like this. Nice, see that? And then we're just going to place the shrimp into the bowl with our walnut shrimp sauce. And then we're gonna toss the shrimp with the sauce so it's coated evenly. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to add some store-bought candied walnuts. You can find store-bought candied walnuts in any grocery store. I suggest looking in the produce section. And then we're just going to sprinkle these on top. And I'm gonna toss the walnuts with the shrimp so they're well coated, just like so. Then I'm gonna plate it onto a pretty plate. So easy. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to eat this. I don't know about you guys, but I see this walnut shrimp at dim sum and I always order it because it just looks so good. And it brings back so many family memories. There we go. Wow. Oh my gosh, that was so fast. It looks so yummy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And there you have it, quick and easy walnut shrimp. What a perfect dish for your next celebratory occasion. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until then, happy cooking.